everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We have a lot releasing this week, so buckle up because I'm also going to be going over the pop mystery for this week. I have a lot of Christmas pop mysteries, so I'm probably going to be doing one every single week just to get through them. I think I have 3 or 4 more left. So definitely stay tuned for those, but I'll go over that at the end. And then I'll also go over the tiered freebies first. But we have a lot of releases this week. We have some new exclusive art. We have a really fun foil bundle and underlay kind of combo, color of the week, doodles, foil. We have like a little bit of everything this week. So let's first go over the new October freebies. So y'all loved these last month. I'm so excited. I have a couple of months kind of determined, and I'm excited to kind of continue this journey with y'all. So the first thing here is going to be the all orders freebie. So first things first, it does feature a journaling card with art by a kittenish girl, Jess, and I just think gorgeous, 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 the back side here. And then it will have 4 random pieces of foil. So this here has some Thanksgiving quotes in silver and rose, as well as Thanksgiving silver bucket list and some gold fall leaf overlays. So those will vary, but it'll be 4 random pieces of foil, and that will be with every order. Then the next tiered freebie is the $75 plus freebie, and I went ahead and did some kind of like spookier releases here, so kind of like more Halloween-y themed. Last month was Disney themed, and this month is Halloween themed. Then you'll also have the $150 freebie, so if you spend $150 or more, you'll get all of these. And this is just a random foil bundle. We had a couple extra of these, which was a collab with Crest Press, so there will be some of these in there, as well as some SPC bundles. So that is the $150 freebie. And then the $300 plus freebie is a random ultimate kit. This one here is just the vampire kit. I tried to pull kind of kits that kind of go around the month, but it could be any random ultimate kit, non-misfit. They are perfect. Same with the foil. It's not misfit. It's perfect. But that is the tiered freebies for the month of October. So from the October 1st through October 31st. So those are the tiered freebies. They'll always be on the Instagram page pinned at the top. So if you ever want to check out and see what the current month's freebies are, let's go ahead and then go into the new release stack. And again, I will show you the pop culture mystery at the end. So the first thing on the stack is some new icons, and these are just so stinking adorable. These are Christmas icons. Let me show you them in black. So you have a bunch of different icons here. You have a wreath, candy cane presents, string lights, snow globe, snowflake, snowman, stocking, reindeer, Santa, ornament, and a gingerbread person. So you have the options of, these are mini icons, so they fit perfectly in like little things, but they also look really good in big little things or even on fancy labels or even as mini deco. So this is in gold. They come in a lot of colors. So gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, matte bronze, black, and white. So many foil options, and these are just going to be perfect for all of the Holly Jolly spreads. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern with all of the new releases. Then we have some more scribblers for this week. We do have number 63, which is kind of like one of the boys in a little tux. I have some Christmas ones I need to release soon, and I think one Halloween one, so those will be after these ones were already designed. So the little boy in a tux. And then I do have some characters this week, some more villains. So we have Gaston, who's number 112, Dr. Facilier, which is 113, and Maleficent, which is 114. Also have some doodles this week. The tragic part of this is these were supposed to release a while ago, but I just forgot to send the files in, so that's on me. But we have some sticker sheets at $7.54. $7.55 is some chunky jack-o'-lanterns. $7.56 is some skulls. $7.57 is some tall jack-o'-lanterns. $7.58 is cauldron. $7.59 bats. $7.60, which is spiders. $7.61, which is little ghosts. $7.62, which is candy corn. $7.63, which is hats. $7.64, little potion bottles with a little bow on it. $7.65, which is a little tombstone. And $7.66, which is a little haunted house. They're a little bit late, but you have them for this year's spreads and also for future years. Then there is the color of the week. This is available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. So I actually extracted this color from the exclusive art set that I'm going to be showing you, but I thought that this color was a really pretty unique kind of muted cool toned olive. So this is number 91. It does come in the normal 14 sheets that I'll give you a flip through real quick. You can purchase these sheets a la carte, or you can purchase them in a buy all bundle to save a couple extra buckaroonies. But it's a really pretty color, and I find myself pulling for colors of the week super often, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that with the exclusive Kittenish Jess Christmas art, which is stunning. As far as exclusive Christmas arts, because I do get a lot of questions, I do, like I said, have a couple more pop mysteries. I might end up saving one for next year just because I don't know if I'll have time to release them all. But I'm hoping to get them all out. And as far as non-pop culture mysteries, I have this one and one other kit, I believe, that is exclusive art. I'm trying to think if I know of any art that's coming out, but I don't know, but I'm sure that there will be. I feel like we're just rolling on Christmas art, just started. But anyways, just in case you were wondering. So this is the Scribblers. These are available a la carte. I love them. You've seen me use like a half a sheet on the spread because I am obsessed with Scribblers. Then we have the foil bundle for this week. This week is a gorgeous star version 2 pattern, and it's a really, really pretty sparkly pink color. Let me show you. Here, I think we've had this pink before. It was a long time ago in a twinkle bundle. It was not this format with these like same size sheets. It was like whenever the sheets were all different sizes, it was this really pretty like sparkly pink. It's literally gorgeous. Let me show you with like a flashlight. Like, she's so pretty. It's like annoying. So let's go through the foil bundle. So this is just the star version 2. So you do have the 6 full boxes and the header overlays, the star underlays, the icons, which is the new icons page, along with the scripts. And then you have the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, as well as the bottom washi overlays. And y'all, this is gorgeous. But I kind of had a vision when doing this, and I think this would be perfect for like New Year's Eve, birthdays, etc. But also we're going to be releasing this foil bundle, and it will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday, so definitely pick some up. But also going to be releasing the same foil in the firework underlays, which do have some stars mixed through them. Perfect together, gorgeous, everything. And I kind of imagined it with this kit that I'm going to show you, but I think that it would also go with a lot of other really pretty like pink kits or anything like rosy, because it really is, it kind of looks like, let me show you, rose, but if rose was sparkly as far as like the tones go, they're pretty similar. This one might be a little bit more berry, but like they're similar. You see what I'm saying? They'd be actually really pretty to have like a mixed metal of those. Would be fun. So that is the foil bundle, and like I said, you can pick up the firework underlays, and you can just pick those up by themselves, so you don't have to like pair them with this foil bundle. They would actually look really pretty mixed with champagne lights too. It'd be really fun, like a sparkly pink and a sparkly gold. So that's the foil bundle for this week. And let's go into the kits. So the first one here is Peachy Party. So stinking pretty. This is kind of like a rendition of the Hip Hip Hooray Happy Birthday art. Hip Hip Hooray and Happy Birthday is kind of, the one is like kind of like 70s like colorway, really fun. And then the other one is purples, I believe. Do I have it over here? I think I do, but searching for it is not going to be, it's going to be a long journey because I have a lot of kits over here. But you know what I'm talking about. Their birthday art. And this one is so pretty with the peachy. I actually think this would be really fun with this foil bundle too, though. I think it would be a cute vibe. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think even hollow and sparkly hollow would be fun with this. Silver would be good with this. Gold champagne lights, rose. All the foil colors would be so fun. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. It's everything. Kind of rearranged the boxes a little bit from the other kits as well, but I just love these colors. It's so fun, kind of for a spring look, but also kind of anytime vibes with this one as well. So pretty. Love the bottom washi. What foil color would you pair with this? I need to know. And you have the same freebie, I think, as the other two kits as well, was the babies. Because there is fam options as well. So that is the ultimate kit. All the kits this week, of course, come in a mini. And then let me show you the add-on options. So you do have ombre. You have the functional. You have the doodles, as well as the label, and label 2 is like kind of more of like a nudish color. And then you do also have the fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just like the other birthday kits all have fam options too. So that is Peachy Party. Then the last kit prior to the Pop Mystery, this is a exclusive art by Kitten Jess, and this year, the Christmas falls on the same week as New Year's Eve, and Jess was like, we should probably do something for that, and I was like, yes, we should. So this is what came to fruition from that idea. So you kind of had this kind of like LA chic Christmas, New Year's like combo, and I love it. I cannot wait to use it for the week of Christmas and New Year's together. I think it's so fun, so pretty. You have some marble in here, you have some wood patterns, some sparkly gold, you have some silver, you have a little bit of everything. So I think this will look really pretty. Make that pink pop in there. You kind of see the pinks tones, but I also think this would look really pretty with gold champagne lights mix. It would look really pretty with rose. It would look really pretty with what's the word, matte bronze, matte silver mixed. Lots of options here. So those are the full boxes, literally so pretty. Then you have the like half boxes page, the deco. You have the extra boxes here. I love the pizza. These colors are phenomenal. And then the bottom washi and the extra box there as well. I showed you the freebie, which is the other skin tones for the box that's on the glitter header page. And that is my Kitten Jess exclusive art for Christmas. Does come in a mini kit as well. And then as far as add-ons go, this one does have a lot as well. So you have the ombre, you have the functional, you also have the doodle. There is the label as well as label 2, which is a little bit of like a darker pinky color, kind of goes with this vibes. Then there is also the fashion option, but then there is also fam option. So there's just like a lot of boxes here, and I really couldn't say no to the options. So fashion people, just killed it. We have 4 different ones, so obsessed with each one. You have options. This will be fashion, these will be fam. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gorgeous, perfect, perfection, everything. I also feel like if you could find a really nice kind of like green color, I think that would also be something that would be very unique to kind of pull in. And if you could find the green in, actually gold hollow would be really pretty with this as well, but if you find a green and then like a gold to match, I think that would be a really fun combo as well. Or like a green like this with like rose, I think would be really fun. There's lots of options here. I'm just gonna need for you to tell me what would be your favorite option. If that's everything you want to see, you don't want to see the pop culture mystery, thank you for watching. But if you do want to see the pop culture mystery, let me go ahead and show you what will be available from Wednesday through Sunday. And I think y'all are going to need her. I'm going to do, I think a couple people suggested doing kind of like a little quick flyby, just if anybody wants some hints, and then going through everything. So I'm going to do that first. So here's your quick flyby. And then let's go ahead and go through it. So the whole kit here is called Buddy the Elf. We have done an elf kit in the past, but Elf is my favorite Christmas movie, so we needed to go again at it. And I am literally obsessed. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I am in love. I love like the gray tones mixed with these classic Christmas colors. And I cannot wait to pick a foil because I'm kind of thinking that green and red would be so fun with this. But I also think just a classic silver and sparkly hollow, or even just like silver and gold or sparkly hollow and the champagne lights would be really fun together as well. but I'm obsessed. Those are the full boxes. Then you have the half boxes page. You have more full boxes here. You could either use this as a double box or totally split these across. I'm kind of thinking that these need like quotes on them. I think that'd be really, really fun use of the space. And I love these snowballs. I think they're so cute. You have the deco page here, the little things, the boxes, patterned and solid, as well as the bottom washi. Again, so stinking cute. And the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is the tall box of Buddy the Elf. A little different pose here, and he is just perfect perfection. I love Will Ferrell, and again, Elf is my favorite Christmas movie of all time, and I am obsessed. I'm definitely going to be using this in my main planner. It also does come in a mini kit, and don't forget, you could only get this kit from Wednesday through Sunday. So let me go through the add-on options. You do have a label, also a ombre, functional. There is the extra label if you want to add that on. Another one would be cool would be like black foil. I think would be really pretty with this. It would give it a completely different look, especially if you did like black Christmas foil. So cute. Also, there is the option for the doodle, and then there is also fashion boxes. So if you're not super into Elf, I feel like you could take out maybe Buddy the Elf and maybe replace it with just one of these cuties and have like a little just like Winter Wonderland spread with a fun colorway. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. Don't forget, they will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. The color of the week and the pop culture mystery will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday evening if you want to pick that up. Definitely wouldn't want to miss those this week because they are gorgeous. Also, don't forget, we do have those fun tiered freebies through the month of October, and then I will be changing them up in the month of November. If you wanted to sign up for this month's mystery, spots are available, so definitely do that. And I think that's everything for this week, and I will talk to you in my next video.